I just made a bag, I'm up the sun. Pulled up in a foreign dawn, yeah, I'm up the sun. With that work, flip that bag, yeah, we up the sun.
What's going on, guys? This morning we're doing a tankless combi, which that means is it takes care of hot water too. This is a storage tank. So like in January we came out here because the system was piped in wrong, and we did all the piping. Like, we redid the piping the proper way. So if you look, this is like brand new. Everything's brand new. So we're cutting it out, putting a new one. All right, right now we're doing the pressure release valve and the shut off, the drain plug, basically. Excuse me. I did last time. Hold it, man. You a little guy. That's the last one. Get that shot. 8 hours later. Filming on the camera. Okay. Give me the adjustables. The big red one. That's all heavy.
I was just thinking the same thing. That's the heaviest part of this whole unit.
Pump us some water. Pump us some water.
I'm starting the car. School.
Bad.
Yeah, it's just weird when I'm the one holding the ladder for you and for the ladder.
Because all you do is gotta create some kind of like resistance restriction.
Restriction? You hear that, guys? Restriction.
Yeah.
To hold the ladder.
The filter dryer is dirty, guys. And the boiler. Okay.
The ladder has a screw. You gotta breathe in.
With you, boy, we'll be thirsty if you was pumping water with that.
You'd be dead.
You only have a cup for me only. Because you know I gotta drink first.
So you're talking about the moment the water comes up, I'm taking that shot. I'm gonna go pump your own water. Just sit. Okay.
That's what she said.
She told you to sit on it.
Mm-hmm. I got my own shoes. I got my own shoes.
I don't care.
Help. Good. Can I help?
You're trying to sue somebody, not me. He's the one saying it.
I got my own shoes. Come on. Come on. Alright, shorty. That's it, shorty. This is the hardest part right here. Hardest part. This guy right here.
Honestly, that's why I wanted to do it first, because it was going to be the hardest one. You said, no, not yet.
You gotta save the hardest for the last. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you won't be thinking, Can I have? Right. Dry fit. It's dressed. There's really not a lot to it. We're changing the kit for the intake and exhaust. We're gonna put this one. Nobody.
You see me? I told you.
All right. That was easy. That was easy.
Mm-hmm. Makes you feel like a master of this game.
I know all the cheat codes.
Up, down, left, A, B, A, C.
That's how you become a master technician.
Start, select.
It's like Grand Theft Auto. You got to put the phone number in for the cheat codes. I know one. You want the cheat code? Cash at me $5. White 87. If I see $5, you get the number, the phone number.
And you're gonna beat Grand Theft Auto.
No, you're gonna be technician of the year. Yeah, everything. Hold on. Go for it, Poppy.
This is 3/4, right?
No, it's an inch. I see this guy. You see him? He don't know his pipe sizes. Okay, take 2. Show them that you put the right size. 3/4.
And
Go ahead.
here we go. Come over here.
This is what a long day does.
Alright guys, so I'm wiring in the power, so it's the switch, and then the power comes to the terminals and it's going to feed to zone control, and then I'm going to wire in the boiler into the boiler circulator. So this is the wires right here. Please don't, y'all seen my boilers, y'all know I do real clean work, but it's not, they just wanted me to swap out a unit.
So we're working with what we got.
Yeah, I really don't like how it looked though. It looked ugly. It looks so tacky. Who would do this?
The previous installers, whatever company that was.
I guess, you know what I mean, they all can't be pretty. I just gotta take my pride, put it to the side.
And let it ride.
Alright.
So anyways, I'm just swap out that coupling right there. That's where we cut it from. Disconnect the circulator pump. And just replace these. As far as that. Any last words, Lewis?
I wanna go eat.
Me too. What are you feeling?
My fast food, I hate fast food.
Alright, so let's go on those tacos.
I've been waiting for you to take me there, you don't agree.
Get the Friday night taco special.
At lunchtime?
Hey, it's Friday all day.
I hear you. Got Mondo doing the gas valve, and we done. I'm not, yeah, I mean, but we done as far as installing it. Notice the wires is ugly. We did not install this. We did a favor. It was a quick swap out. We didn't even redo the piping. See, the pipe is all brand new. It was just the unit failed. So he just said, give me a price just to take the unit out. You see, I don't even have a switch. So this is exactly how it was. We just did a brand new system.
It could be that. Or it could be you just broke it.
I broke it?
I think you broke it.
I did.
You broke the circulator pump.
So this install turned into a service call.
It's no, you turned this job into a service call. That's what you did.
My business.
See this? This is him rejecting the fault of his.
Alright guys, so I got an alert. Fault status. Sensor status. So it's telling me my outdoor sensor is negative 512 degrees. See that? Negative 512 degrees. So our problem is going to keep alerting me because we don't have a sensor. So what you got to do is you got to go to adjust, go to system setups, right? Outdoor sensor source. It's not wired. I have nothing. It's not installed. Get out of here. No more issues. So just make sure when you install these, if you don't have an outdoor sensor, make sure you disconnect it, or it'll be tripping. It'll be tripping the unit. It'll be setting it off and it won't run properly. So just make sure. Alright, man. So I got done early. My boiler. We got done at like 12 o'clock, and I come to check on my guys, and they do this one day. Hanging everything. Well, they didn't do the bathroom, but the trunk. They took care of all that. Yo, how y'all work so good? Oh, cause you got my level. Like, you know I was looking for that.
They know that.
Why you taking my level, man?
I mean, you need to tell them already.
It don't matter. I need a cheap one and a good one.
You know,
My man worked so hard, he got paint in the back of his hair.
Yeah, he been telling me that for like the past hour.
Oh, man. You're beautiful. Your whole neck.
Okay. I don't know, he went to the bathroom by himself.
What you was doing? You got lost?
Even if I did go to bed for myself, how would it get weird?
I don't know. That's what happens when you send kids by themselves places.
All my hair.
Damn, your beautiful hair. You want to take a picture on the camera so I can put you on my service table? Huh?
No, I'm kidding. Is that today or Monday? This Monday.
You took it already.
Yeah, but I said I need a
You're gonna take the picture again? Why?
Cause my mustache was looking crazy.
Oh my God.
Jason too, right, Jason? You waiting to take the service type picture?
Yeah, you don't gotta get a haircut.
For a service type, for a work picture.
Yeah, so it makes me look good. Like, I feel good when I get a
The
haircut.
customers gonna be coming, you know, handsome young men come to do this.
But they don't care how you look.
That's what they tell you.
They don't.
Presentation is everything.
Now, how you look is not everything. So it be some ugly technicians that are monsters.
But they have a haircut.
Huh? Yeah, right. Being pretty don't mean nothing. This is why work don't get done with this guy, because he dodges dirt.
Nah,
Nah, this is noisy too.
Because it's not really dirty in here.
We was getting busy.
I see. I did a real good job. It's only 225
We
and
went to our people too.
dang, y'all good.
And already might be.
Yeah.
You were like,
Dang. Yeah.
we had material.
Dang, I gotta protect my job security.
Bobby, we coming for you.
Hey,
Best part about the day.
lunch.
It's not lunchtime.
Break time.
It's not break time. It's union break.
We put in there work when we took a late lunch.
Yeah, did. They hung everything. I'm so proud of them.
Everything.
Everything.
Hey,
I'm so proud.
you made up for yesterday.
Yeah, cause y'all sucked yesterday. Say no, I'm playing. I'm playing.
Walk in here and do nothing. No, it was slow.
All right, guys.
Like you said.
I'm gonna cut it off early today. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below. Hit that like button. Peace.